While the world thought the DMK was still in power, the walls of the Secretariat were already telling a different story. In March 2026, 2 months before a single vote was cast, Stalin's portraits were already being taken down. How did the bureaucracy know the end was coming so soon? Was the script already signed in Delhi? Connect the timeline. Mid-March. Vijay meets the CBI. Late March. Stalin's photos vanish. The Karar file wasn't just an inquiry, it was the leverage. This is the moment the deal was struck. Vijay gets the throne, Stalin gets the exit, Delhi gets the remote control. Why did the BJP's own heavyweights fall? Because Amit Shah didn't campaign for them, he cleared the path for TVK. They sacrificed their own giants to ensure Vijay's 108-seat surge was unchallenged. Also, the defeat of the heavyweights in the state BJP like Nainar, Tamilisai, Murugan and Vettri will erase any internal resistance to Vijay. A win by exactly 1 vote in Tiruppathur. Across the state, Congress and NTK votes were surgically transferred to TVK. This isn't a wave, it's a controlled redistribution of power. The Christian hero performing a ritual to eliminate enemies. Was this for the cameras, or was it the spiritual seal on a deal made in March? By the time he hit the temple, the win was already fixed. Why not 118? Because 118 makes Vijay a king, 108 makes him a puppet. He is 10 seats short of power, meaning every move he makes must now be approved by Delhi. Tamil Nadu thinks it has entered a new era, but when the portraits came down in March, the era was already over. Is 108 a win for you, or a win for the script writers? Comment.